Hello, it's the CryptoQ Media back on my channel. To start, I'd want to express my gratitude to XRPL for successfully closing about 90 million ledgers. So, progress is being made on chain, despite what the naysayers, fundsters, and liars are claiming. Hard at work, builders are crafting. Lots of cash is being exchanged. Expansion has taken place. Emerging are new concepts. What you see here, I am also seeing. Your initial reaction is to wonder, why isn't the native asset, XRP, moving? It is also something we'll talk about in this video. Listen up, everyone, XRP is going to be used as payment for oil between the UAE and India. Many are oblivious to the structural changes occurring with XRP globally and its potential use as a financial instrument in the Middle East, despite the fact that everyone is aware of the SEC and Ripple cases, and we will continue discussing them on this channel until we are blue in the face. That doesn't belong to me. Get the papers in order. Take note of the XRPL scenario. Is the growing Middle Eastern market going to contribute significantly to Ripple's bottom line? Oil payments, which are also taking place here as a result of the agreement between the UAE and India, are a clear indication of this. Greetings, everyone. There will be a lot more people because right now we're just looking at those with less than 200 billion in tokenized assets globally. We have $1.4 quadrillion in circulation right now. Looking ahead, we believe that, well, eventually, everything you can see will have a tokenized version and be added to the chain. All of space and time are encompassed in this. We still have a lot of space to grow into our role as the game's dominant power. It will, without a doubt. Moving forward into the future, we can see that adoption will truly take off in 2024 when the price reaches 4 or 5 digits, 1,000 or 10,000 XRP. Seeing the measurements, statistics, and numbers will lead to a substantial profit. $1 trillion are flooding into this market. My gut tells me that Ripple will corner a sizable chunk of the XRPL network's customer base. So, when they declare all the money, I expect to see a substantial amount in our checks. The CEO has previously said it, therefore you can trust me when I say it. At least $500 million, according to his assertion. Something in the neighborhood of 50 million or 50 trillion would do. Everyone here knows that I love talking about fund flows, or institutional flows. Even over the last week, there has been a 175% surge in the flow of funds into exchange-traded product. Pause and take it all in. This week, XRP investment products saw an additional 700,000 XRP flowed. Do not be surprised if XRP is not yet an ETF in the United States, we are still a long way off. What do you think the revenue will be and how much buzz will it generate? I think it is something people often fail to notice, and that's why. The fact that it can be traded isn't enough, it is important for other organizations to acknowledge that. This morning, Persys Technology made an interesting announcement that led to our listing on the CBOE. We can go on to the next subject now. Kindly remember it. Not long ago, they made an announcement about the upcoming release of an innovative device that will serve a dual purpose. It will facilitate the onboarding of new users and improve the usability of the XRP left side chain. This works wonderfully as a midpoint between the primary net and the secondary chain. Seriously, that's impressive. We will be sure to keep an eye on the Ripple's XRP ledger and give you a shout out today, since I think it might be the most interesting thing occurring in the cryptocurrency market right now. Well, we have the newly launched stablecoin, they go on to say. With it, a plethora of flows will be welcomed. We are approaching the potential of the ETF. I don't think enough people are paying attention to the fact that the US loves this part of Ripple X's statement that the tokenized platform OpenEden would introduce tokenized US Treasury, T-notes. Right now, the dollar is in demand. The freshly elected Kamala Harris, says Vivek, would be a huge fan of Bitcoin and the rest of the cryptocurrency market. This is why I will not be too harsh on that. He uses well-selected words. I agree with him. I can practically feel the excitement building up. Like the rest of them, is that her whole role we need to be more direct. Gather support. I am sure of that right now. The European Commission has threatened Elon Musk with further action in relation to his meeting with Donald Trump, which is something I'm thinking of filming again tonight. Simply use the comment section to inform me if you would like a status update on that. The timing of this recording is around 1 hour and 20 minutes away from an exciting event. The European Commission has threatened Elon, sending the message that they are closely watching him, and Iran may strike Israel in less than 24 hours. You people are making the market incredibly volatile with this. If this happens, we should expect a period of declining prices at the very least. But we are also cognizant of the fact that analysts are projecting a headline year-over-year CPI of 2.9 right now, hence, if our findings surpass predictions, the market will surely go up, won't it? Consequently, we will be extremely watchful this week. Farewell for the time being, and I would greatly appreciate it if you would subscribe and like my channel.